Hello everyone, welcome to Heavy Crypto, and in this video I'm going to show you how exactly I make passive income using P2P markets. So P2P markets allow crypto buyers and crypto sellers to trade directly. And in this video we're going to use the Remitano platform and Binance Crypto Exchange, okay? We're going to be buying crypto assets from Remitano and sell them to Binance Exchange, and I'll show you how exactly you can profit by using this method. And also at the end of this video I'm going to show you how exactly you can avoid transaction fees. But before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Heavy Crypto. So what we do on this channel, we try to improve our financial life through crypto, alright? So with that being said, let's get right into the video.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens, God.
So the first thing that you really need to do is to create an account on Remitano, and the link to Remitano is going to be in the description below, okay? So once you click that link, you're going to see a dashboard like this, and you're just going to go ahead and click register right here, right? And that just means to put your email or Facebook, or if you're using an iPhone, just put your Apple account right here, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and log in right now because I'm using Facebook, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click right there, okay? So here's a dashboard for Remitano, right? And with this method, it doesn't matter where you are, right? So if you're living in Nigeria, then you're just gonna go ahead and click right here, right? And change your country, right? So you can see that Remitano support all these countries, right? So you're just gonna go ahead and choose your country right here so that we can be able to do the same thing. All right, so I'm living in South Africa right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and click South Africa, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and click here. But if you're living, let's say outside of South Africa, then we're just gonna go ahead and click your country, and you can do the same method. It doesn't matter where you are, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and click. So you can see that all the prices gonna be in rand, okay? And make sure you watch the whole video so that you will not miss out anything, because I'm gonna share some tips that you can use for your own advantage, okay? And I do this on daily basis to make passive income just by doing this simple arbitrage and P2P market. So this method is combination of both P2P markets and arbitrage, okay? Because I'm gonna be buying from P2P markets and sell to Binance, and I'm gonna share tricks that you're gonna use in order to avoid transaction fees, okay? And also you're gonna need to create an account on Binance, and the link to Binance is gonna be in the description below. So once you create an account, you're gonna see a dashboard like this, and you're just gonna go ahead and click where it's written P2P trading, okay? So just gonna go ahead and click right here, and it's gonna show a dashboard of P2P trading. So right here you can see that we have a bunch of coins, right? So we have USDT, BTC, BSD is the same as USDT, okay? But then BSD is a Binance stable coin, it's the same as USD, okay? So if you subscribe to this channel, then you know that I once told you that do not use ERC20 tokens, because ERC20 tokens you pay a lot of gas fee. But then in this video we're gonna use Ethereum, because there's a way that we can avoid transaction fees by using this method, okay? So if I go back to Remitano, you can see that we have Ethereum as well right here, okay? So with this method, we are using Nigerian currency, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and change right here. So let me just look for Nigerian currency, NGN, right here, NGN, okay? So once I click Nigeria right here, you can see that the price is gonna change into Nigerian currency, NGN, okay? So, and make sure that you select Ethereum right here, okay? Because we're using Ethereum in this video, and your currency is going to be NGN, which is Nigerian currency. So it doesn't matter where you are, you know, we're just using these foreign currencies to make passive income, okay? So this is the current price of 1 Ethereum on Remitano, okay? So if I go ahead and click buy right here with Nigerian currency, you can see that it's going to ask me to put the amount of NGN that I want to spend, okay? So let's double check the price of the price of 1 Ethereum in Nigerian currency, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this and paste it to my notepad, because I want to write down everything so that I will not make any mistake, and I can be able to calculate my profits, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and paste it right here. So to get 1 Ethereum, I'll spend on 958,756 to get 1 Ethereum in Nigerian currency, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead right here and click buy, okay? So right here is asking me how much do you want to spend, how much NGN do you want to spend. So we want to spend this amount of NGN, okay? Because we know that with 1 Ethereum we're gonna have to pay 958,756 NGN, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy it and paste it right here, okay, and it's just gonna look for a best seller who is selling their Ethereum to get NGN. Okay, so you can see that with this amount of NGN, I'm gonna get at least 0.972257 ETH. Okay, so the number has decreased because I'm taking from the market. So in this case, I'm not gonna wait, and my order is gonna get through immediately. And you can see that completion time is 0 seconds. Okay, so this order is gonna take 0 seconds to get through. Okay, and I'm gonna be buying from this guy right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click buy right here and pay in Nigerian currency, and the order is gonna get through immediately. Okay, so as I said, with this method, doesn't matter where you are, and I'm gonna show you how exactly you can buy Nigerian currency. Okay, so you're gonna need to deposit some cash into your Remitano account. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and click dashboard right here and click deposit right here. Okay, so it's gonna ask you the method to deposit. So I suggest that you should use Litecoin to deposit some money into your Remitano wallet. With Litecoin, you're not gonna pay fees, and Litecoin is quick and fast. Okay, so just use Litecoin to deposit some cash into your Remitano. Okay, and once you deposit some cash, you're gonna go to where it's written swap right here. Okay, and you're gonna have to swap your Litecoin with Nigerian currency, okay, which is NGN. So just gonna go ahead and click right here, okay, and swap it. You're just gonna click max and swap it to get some NGN. Okay, so this is how exactly you're gonna get NGN to do this method. Okay, so now that we're here, so you're just gonna go ahead and buy Ethereum, and you're gonna get this amount of Ethereum, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy it. Remember that you have to write down everything. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and copy it and paste it on my notepad right here, just under the amount of Ethereum, right? So we're gonna get 0.971303010 Ethereum. Okay, so right now let's go to Binance and find out how much we're gonna make if we sell these amounts of Ethereum, right? Because we bought from Remitano and you wanna sell it to Binance and make profits. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead to Binance right here and go to P2P section right here. Okay, and you have to change your currency because we are using NGN. Okay, so you have to change your currency. So we're just gonna go ahead and click where it's written sell right here. Okay, and change this into ETH because we are selling ETH. Okay, so change it to ETH right here, and your currency should be NGN. Okay, in this case yours can be USD, or it can be South African Rand, but then with this method we're using NGN, so we're gonna have to change it to NGN by searching right here NGN, right, and click it, and it's gonna show you all the offers that are available in NGN. Okay, so you can see that here the first person who is willing to buy our Ethereum is willing to spend this amount, right? So it's gonna spend 1.1 million NGN, okay, to buy one Ethereum. So remember that we spent 958,000 to buy one Ethereum. Okay, and we got this amount of Ethereum, so we're just gonna go ahead and copy it. Okay, and go to where it's written sell right here. Okay, so right here I'm just gonna go ahead and put the amount of ETH that I want to sell, right, on Binance. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this amount of ETH. Okay, and click right here where it's written I want to sell, and paste it right there. Okay, so you can see that with this amount of ETH, so you see that I'm gonna get 1 million. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and copy it and paste it on my notepad. Okay, this amount that I'm gonna get, right? So remember that I spent 958,756 to get this amount of ETH. Okay, and if I sell this amount on ETH on Binance, I'm gonna get 1 million NGN. Okay, so this amount that I'm gonna get by using this arbitrage opportunity. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how exactly you can send this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how exactly you can send this amount of ETH from Remitano to Binance without spending much fees. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead to Binance right here, but before I do that, let's do some calculation right now because we want to find out how much profit have we made from doing this arbitrage opportunity. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. It really helps the channel as well. Okay, so by doing that, you're really helping the channel as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say 1 million. Okay, 365. All right, minus 900 minus 958 958,756, right? And you can see that from this arbitrary opportunity we're going to be making at least 117,609, right, NGN. So this amount that we're going to make from this arbitrary opportunity, so this is our profit by doing this simple strategy. You just have to transfer your money from whatever exchange you name it and send it to Remitano right there and convert it into NGN and buy some NGN from there and send it to Binance and sell it right there and get your profits, right? Because from Remitano you're gonna buy at a low price, and on Binance you're gonna sell it at higher price and get your profits, right? So in this case our profit is gonna be this amount. So I'm just gonna write it down right here, our profit. Okay, our profit is equal to our profit is equal to 117,609 NGN. Okay, so this is our profit right here. And if I convert this to USD, let's find out how much is this in USDT. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead to Google and search NGN to USD. Okay, because you're gonna be able to convert this NGN to USDT there on Binance as well. Okay, so that you can get USDT and convert it to any currency you wanna use. All right, so with these amounts in USD, so we're gonna make 283 USD just by doing this simple arbitrage opportunities. Okay, so this is our profits in USDT. So remember that I promised you that I'm gonna show you how exactly you can avoid transaction fees, and let's just go ahead and show. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how exactly you can do that. So just gonna go ahead to Remitano right here and go to your dashboard, right, and go to wallet. All right, so just gonna go ahead to Ethereum, because in this case we are withdrawing Ethereum. Okay, so just gonna go ahead and click withdraw right there, and right here is gonna ask you to paste the address. Okay, and in this case we're gonna use BEP20. Do not use ERC20, because if you use ERC20 it's gonna charge you a lot of fees, and you might lose your tokens as well, because in this case we're using BEP20 only. So just gonna go ahead and click right here, BEP20. Okay, so we're gonna go to Binance, because this is where we're going to receive our cash. All right, so you're gonna go to Binance and click where it's written wallets right here. Okay, so you're just gonna go ahead and click where it's written deposit right here. Okay, so it's gonna show you Banjo. So you're gonna have to choose the cryptocurrency that you wanna deposit. Okay? So in this case we want to deposit Ethereum. Okay, so just gonna go ahead and click Ethereum right here, and right here it's gonna ask you to select the network that you wanna use. All right, so in this case we're using BEP20. Okay, we're not using we are not using Ethereum ERC20, we're not using all these. All right, we are using BEP20. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and click right here, BEP20, and it's gonna provide us with BEP20 address. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and click copy right here. Do not use ERC20, we are using BEP20 only. So we're just gonna go ahead and copy it right here and go to Remitano right here, right, and paste the address right here. So we're gonna pay this amount as a fee. Okay, so let's find out how much is this in USD. Okay, so just gonna go to CoinGecko right now and find out how much is that. Okay, go to ETH right here and paste it right here. So you can see that we're gonna pay at least 0.32 cents by doing this transaction. Okay, so this is basically nothing, like you've paid 0% fee, because we're only paying cents right here. Okay, So this is how exactly you can avoid transaction fees. That's only fees you're gonna pay by doing this arbitrage opportunity. Okay, so if you want to convert this in NGN into your currency, you're just gonna go ahead and click where search and trade right here. All right, and go to spot trade. If you want to convert this NGN to USDT or to BTC or to any other coins, right? So you're just gonna go ahead and click right there and go to where it's written fiat, okay, right here, and go to NGN right here. Okay, so you can see that you can be able to sell this NGN to USDT. Okay, so just gonna go ahead and click right here and go to sell tab right here. All right, and put the amount that you want to sell to USDT. Okay, so just gonna put the total amount that you want to sell, the total NGN that you want to sell to USDT. Okay, and this is how exactly you're gonna get your USD back with profits. Okay, so you can be doing this over and over again to make this passive income, and you don't need to wait, you know, for a market to move and stuff like that. Remember, on Remitano we are buying on a current price, and on Binance we are selling on the current price as well. So we are not waiting for anything. All we do is just to transfer money from Remitano and sell to Binance and make our profits. Okay, and in this case we're gonna be making 283 US dollars. Alright, I don't know how much is this in South African rand. Let's check how much it is in South African rand. So in South African rand, we'll be making at least 4,636 rands, okay, by doing this arbitrage opportunity. So this is it. I'm signing out. My name is Heavy Crypto, and I'll see you in another video. Love and peace.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take